Hello, in front of me I've got BYD ATTO 2. In this video I'll show you where is the starting battery. As we can learn on the sticker under the hood. The starting battery is located under driver's seat. Power battery is located under the car in the middle. Let's take a look under the driver's seat. And the battery is located here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.